Hello students, now we are going to study water equivalent in heat and thermodynamics. What is the water equivalent? Its importance is very much importance. So in this case, practically suppose this is a container. In this container there is m mass of water. Temperature of the container and water initially is T0. Specific heat of water, it is 1 calorie per gram per degree Celsius. 1 calorie per gram per Kelvin, or you can say degree Celsius, same as. And mass of the container is mc, and the specific heat of the container is S, and initial temperature of the container water will be same, that is the T0. On supplying the energy, you are supplying energy Q. So what will happen? The energy is supplied, some energy is absorbed by the water and some absorbed by the container. So Q equal Q1 plus Q2. Let Q1 energy absorbed by the water and Q2 energy absorbed by the container. So water equivalent is what is the mass of water that is absorbed the same energy that is absorbed by the container. That is water equivalent. Energy absorbed, what is the mass of water? Water equivalent is mass of the water that will absorb the same energy absorbed by the other body. That is water equivalent. For example, let W mass water will absorb same energy that is absorbed by the container. So energy absorbed by the water, energy absorbed by water of mass m, mass W equal energy absorbed by container. This is the principle. So energy absorbed by the water, that is let W gram water will absorb same energy that is absorbed by the container. So that is let W gram of water absorbs same energy that is by container, and let W gram of water absorb same energy as absorbed by the container, as absorbed by container. So in this case, W is specific heat of water shake into change in temperature T minus T0. This is energy absorbed by the water, and energy absorbed by the container, this is MC, this is MC S, and change in temperature T minus T0. With supply energy, temperature increases. So this is, in this case, we know it very well. This is equal to this, it is cancelled, and a specific heat of water is 1 equal MCS. So W equal MCS. So this is M mass of the container, and S is a specific heat of container, is the water equivalent. This is the sense of water equivalent. I am taking an example for this. Please clear it. In case you have any doubt, you must clear. So Example is this. Suppose this is an container. In this, water is 100 degrees Celsius. 100 gram water, and a degree Celsius is 20 degrees Celsius. On heating, it's a gain and temperature by 1 degree Celsius, means final temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. And energy supplied to the system is let 105 calorie. This is the energy supplied. So you know it very well that 1 gram of water will gain 1 calorie energy to raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius. So 100 gram, water is 100 gram. So calorie 100, there is 105 calorie. So in this 100 calorie energy absorbed by water, the water will absorb 100 calorie plus 5 calorie. 5 by container. 5 by, this is by container. Container will absorb balance 5 calorie. This implies this is the 5 calorie. 5 calorie energy. This implies if there is 5 gram water, that will also absorb 5 calorie. So water equivalent, let its mass is maybe, let it is x gram, right? Specific it is s. So this implies there is 5 gram water that will absorb same energy that is absorbed by the container. So 5 gram is water equivalent. Water equivalent is 5 gram. Mass of the water that will absorb same energy that is absorbed by the other body. Okay. So this is over. In case you have any doubt, please comment me. I'll explain it. Not to worry. I am the 25 plus years experienced teacher, and my view is to make concept clear so that our students feel study physics simple, very simple. Okay, best of luck.